today we're going to do the rainbow water experiment. For this, you'll need M&Ms or Skittles, or both. So what you're going to do is, you'll also need a dish and a cup of water too. So what you're going to do in your plate is arrange them in a special form that would give it more color. And then what you're going to do is get your water and pour it. So, just like that. So these are our M&Ms, and these are just spreading color because these are made out of sugar and artificial coloring, which dissolve and they spread it out the color like that. So, and people say that sugar and artificial coloring is not good for you, so you might not want to have these all the time. And now you can see the dish is really, really rainbow. So it's really cool. So bye and see you next time.